In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open cPanel in Hostinger Cpanel Login. Hostinger Cpanel. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Hostinger. The quickest way is to type Hostinger into the search bar and select the official website from the results. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, typically at the top of the page, and sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're on the secure Hostinger site before entering anything. After you've logged in, go to the home area of your Hostinger dashboard. From here, you'll see the option related to cPanel for the hosting plan you want to manage. Click Manage on that plan and then choose Manage Panel. This takes you straight to the control panel interface for your site. Once it opens, you'll see the standard cPanel dashboard with sections for files, databases, email, domains, and security. If it feels crowded, use the search bar at the top to jump straight to any tool. If you're on a shared hosting plan, you'll see the familiar cPanel option. If you purchased a VPS plan, you'll likely see WHM instead. WHM is part of the cPanel suite and is designed for server-level administration. In simple terms, cPanel is for managing a single hosting account, and WHM is for managing the server or multiple accounts. Either way, you're in the right place to control your hosting environment. There's also a direct way to reach cPanel through your browser's address bar. Type your domain name, then add a / the word cPanel and press enter. It will look like your domain.com/cpanel. That shortcut takes you to the cPanel login screen for that domain. Here, enter your cPanel username and password and click Log In. If your credentials are correct, cPanel opens immediately and you'll be ready to manage files, databases, email accounts, and more. If you're not sure about the username or password, check your Hostinger account details or reset them from your hosting dashboard. A couple of quick tips as you proceed. If the cPanel page doesn't load, confirm that your domain is pointing to your Hostinger hosting and that your SSL is active. Also, keep your login details secure and avoid using public devices when accessing your hosting. And that's it. You've seen two simple ways to open cPanel from Hostinger: through the Hostinger dashboard with Manage and Manage panel, and directly via your domain.com cPanel. When you're done, remember to log out of cPanel and your Hostinger account for security. Use whichever method is most convenient and you'll be managing your website in minutes.